Fundamental concepts definition of terms. Number 1. Which is not a public purpose? A. Public education. B. National defense. C. Transportation. And D. Presidential pork barrel. The correct answer is D. Presidential pork barrel. Number 2. What is the theory of taxation? A. Reciprocal duties of support and protection. B. Necessity. C. Constitutionality. D. Public purpose. The correct answer is B. Necessity. Number 3. Which of the following inappropriately describes the nature of taxation? A. Inherent in sovereignty. B. Essentially a legislative function. C. Subject to inherent and constitutional limitation. And D. Generally for public purpose. The correct answer is D. Generally for public purpose. Number 4. Which of the following is a local tax? A. Value-added tax. B. Real property tax. C. Documentary stamp tax. D. Other percentage taxes. The correct answer is B. Real property tax. Number 5. Tax as to purpose is classified as A. Fiscal or regulatory. B. Direct or indirect tax. C. National or local tax. And D. Specific or ad valorem tax. The correct answer is A. Fiscal or regulatory. Number 6. Tax as to incidence is classified as A. Fiscal or regulatory. B. Direct or indirect tax. C. National or local tax. And D. Specific or ad valorem tax. The correct answer is B. Direct or indirect tax. Number 7. A tax that is imposed upon the performance of an act, the enjoyment of a privilege, or the engagement in a profession is known as A. Income tax. B. License. C. Excise tax. And D. Transfer tax. The correct answer is C. Excise tax. Number 8. Which of the following distinguishes license from tax? A. Unlimited in imposition. B. Imposed for revenue. C. Does not renders business illegal. And D. Pre-activity in application. The correct answer is D. Pre-activity in application. Number 9. Which is not an excise tax? A. income tax, B. community tax, C. estate tax, and D. occupation tax. The correct answer is B. community tax. Number 10. Which is indirect tax? A. value added tax or VAT, B. donor's tax, C. income tax, and D. real property tax. The correct answer is A. value added tax. Number 11. Which is not an ad valorem tax? A. real property tax, B. excise tax on cigar, C. income tax, and D. donor's tax. The correct answer is B. excise tax on cigar. Number 12. A tax that is imposed based on per unit or per head basis is known as A. proportional tax, B. specific tax, C. ad valorem tax, and D. progressive tax. The correct answer is B. specific tax. Number 13. Which is intended to regulate conduct? A. penalty, B. license, C. police power, and D. toll. The correct answer is A. penalty. Number 14. A levy from a property which derives some special benefits from public improvement is A. special assessment, B. eminent domain, C. taxation, and D. toll. The correct answer is A. special assessment. Number 15. Which is not an application of principle of a sound tax system? A. taxes should adjust based on government needs, B. taxation should be progressive, C. taxation should encourage convenient compliance, and D. none of these. The correct answer is D. none of these. Number 16. The power to take property for the support of the government and or public purpose. A. power of taxation, B. police power, C. power of eminent domain, and D. equal protection of the law. The correct answer is A. power of taxation. Number 17. The power to take private property for public use upon payment of just compensation. A. Power of taxation, B. Police power, C. Power of eminent domain, D. Equal protection of the law. The correct answer is C. Power of eminent domain. Number 18. The power to enact laws to promote the general welfare of the people. It is wider in application because it is the general power to make laws. A. Power of taxation. B. Police power. C. Power of eminent domain. And D. Equal protection of law. The correct answer is B. Police power. Number 19. Tax payments should be based relative to the ability of taxpayers to pay. A. Benefit received theory. B. Ability to pay theory. C. The lifeblood theory. And D. Necessity theory. The correct answer is B. Ability to pay theory. Number 20. Tax payments should be based on benefit received. A. Benefit received theory. B. Ability to pay theory. C. The lifeblood theory. And D. Necessity theory. The correct answer is A. Benefit received theory. Number 21. Taxation is supreme, comprehensive, unlimited, and plenary. It includes the power to destroy. A. Taxation as a power. B. Stages of taxation. C. Scope of taxation. And D. Objects of taxation. The correct answer is C. The scope of taxation. Number 22. The legislative act of laying a tax to raise income for the government to defray its necessary expenses. A. Taxation as a power. B. Taxation as a mode of cost allocation. C. The scope of taxation. And D. Taxation as a process. The correct answer is D. Taxation as a process. Number 23. This refers to the inherent power of state to demand enforced contribution for public purpose to support the government. A. Taxation as a process. B. Taxation as a model of cost allocation. C. The scope of taxation. And D. Taxation as a process. The correct answer is A. Taxation as a power. Number 24. Taxation means of allocating government burden to the people. A. Taxation as a power. B. Taxation as a mode of cost allocation. And C. The scope of taxation. And D. Taxation as a process. The correct answer is B. Taxation as a mode of cost allocation. Number 25. All of the following is a constitutional limitation, which is not a constitutional limitation. A. Equal protection of law. B. Territoriality of taxation. C. Uniformity in taxation. D. Observance of due process of law. The correct answer is B. Territoriality of taxation, the inherent power of taxation. Number 26. What is tip end in inherent limitation? A. Territoriality, international committee, public purpose, exemption of the government, non-diversification of tax collections. B. Territoriality, international committee, public purpose, exemption of religious, non-delegation of power of taxation. C. Taxation as process, international committee, public purpose, exemption of the government, non-delegation of power of taxation, and D. Territoriality, international committee, public purpose, exemption of the government, non-delegation of power of taxation. The correct answer is D. Territoriality, international committee, public purpose, exemption of the government, and non-delegation of power of taxation. Number 27. Taxes are indispensable to the existence of the state. Without taxation, the state cannot raise revenue to support its operation. A. Benefit receipt theory, B. Ability to pay theory, C. The lifeblood theory, and D. Necessity theory. The correct answer is C. The lifeblood theory. Number 28. This is the place of taxation. A. The power of taxation, B. Territoriality of taxation, C. Situs of taxation, and D. Taxation as a mode of cost of allocation. The correct answer is C. Situs of taxation. Number 29. Taxing the object or subject within the territorial jurisdiction twice for the same period involving the same kind of tax by the same taxing authority is A. Double taxation, B. Tax evasion, C. Tax avoidance, and D. Tax exemption. The correct answer is A. Double taxation. Number 30. Tax dodging, resorting to acts and devices that illegally reduces or totally escape the payment of taxes that are due to the taxpayer. They are prohibited and are therefore subject to penalties. A. Double taxation, B. Tax evasion, C. Tax avoidance, and D. Tax exemptions. The correct answer is B. Tax evasion. Number 31. An immunity, privilege, or freedom from payment of a charge or burden to which others are obliged to pay. A. Double taxation, B. Tax evasion, C. Tax avoidance, and D. Tax exemptions. The correct answer is D. Tax exemptions. Number 32. Also known as tax minimization scheme. A. Double taxation, B. Tax evasion, C. Tax avoidance, and D. Tax exemptions. The correct answer is C. Tax avoidance. Number 33. This is kind of exemption exempted by accidental or intention omission. A. Express, B. Total, C. Partial, and D. Implied. Correct answer is D. Implied. Number 34. This is a kind of exemption from certain taxes, partially or total. A. Express, B. Total, C. Partial, and D. Implied. The correct answer is C. Partial. Number 35. This is kind of exemptions granted by the Constitution, statute, treaties, ordinance, contracts, or franchise. A. Express, B. Total, C. Partial, and D. Implied. The correct answer is A. Express. Number 36. This is a kind of exemptions from all taxes. Example OFWs. A. Express, B. Total, C. Partial, and D. Implied. The correct answer is B. Total. Number 37. Tax imposed for the general purpose to raise revenue for government needs. A. Fiscal, B. Regulatory, C. Direct, D. Indirect. The correct answer is A. Fiscal. Number 38. A tax of a fixed amount imposed by the head or number. A. Fiscal, B. Specific tax, C. Ad valorem, and D. Proportional or flat rate. The correct answer is B. Specific tax. Number 39. The tax is based on a fixed percentage of the amount of the property, income, or other basis is to be taxed. A. Fiscal, B. Specific tax, C. Ad valorem tax, and D. Proportional or flat rate. The correct answer is D. Proportional or flat rate. Number 40. Tax is imposed for a fixed proportion of the amount or value of the property to which the tax is assessed. A. Fiscal, B. Specific tax, C. Ad valorem, and D. Proportional or flat rate. The correct answer is C. Ad valorem. Number 41. As to imposing authority, what is income taxes, value-added tax, other percentage tax, DST, estate and donors tax? A. Regressive tax, B. Local tax, C. Mixed tax, D. National tax. The correct answer is D. National tax. Number 42. As to imposing authority, what is the real property tax, professional tax, business tax, fees, charges, community tax, and tax on banks and other financial institutions? A. Regressive tax, B. Local tax, C. Mixed tax, and D. National tax. The correct answer is B. Local tax. Number 43. Any law that provides for the assessment and collection, of taxes for the support of the government and other public purposes. A. Tax laws. B. Special assessment. C. License. And D. Penalty. The correct answer is A. Tax laws. Number 44. Formal pronouncement intended to clarify or explain the tax law and carry into effect its general provisions by providing details of administration and procedure. They have the force and effect law. A. BIR. B. Revenue regulation. C. Administrative issuance or BIR rulings. And D. CIR. The correct answer is B. Revenue regulation. Number 45. Tasked with tax administration function of the government, together with the Bureau of Customs, they are under the supervision and control of the Department of Finance. A. BIR. B. Revenue regulation. C. Administrative issuance or BIR rulings. And D. CIR. The correct answer is A. BIR. Number 46. The chief official of the Bureau consists of how many chief officer and assistant chiefs? A. 2 chief officer and 5 assistant officer. B. 1 chief officer and 4 assistant officer. C. 1 chief officer and 5 assistant officer. And D. 2 chief officer and 4 assistant officer. The correct answer is B. 1 chief officer and 4 assistant officer. Number 47. An order imposed by the Commissioner of Internal Revenue upon person to produce certain documents. A. Subpoena duces tecum. B. Jeopardy assessment. C. Closure order. D. Oplan Kalikot. The correct answer is A. Subpoena duces tecum. Number 48. An authorization issued by the BIR to a BIR officer to conduct an examination of the taxpayer's book. A. Final assessment notice. B. Pre-collection letter. C. Letter notice. And D. Letter of authority. The correct answer is D. Letter of authority. Number 49. Decisions of the CIR on tax matters is subject to review by the A. Local courts. B. The Regional Trial Court. C. Secretary of Finance. And D. Court of Tax Appeals. The correct answer is D. Court of Tax Appeals. Number 50. The power to interpret provision of the NIRC is under the exclusive and regional jurisdiction of the CIR, subject to review by A. The Secretary of Justice. B. The Secretary of Finance. C. The Court of Tax Appeals. And D. The President of the Philippines. The correct answer is B. The Secretary of Finance. Number 51. The collection of the VAT on importation is the primary responsibility of A. BIR. B. Department of Finance. C. Secretary of Finance. And D. Bureau of Customs. The correct answer is D. Bureau of Customs. Number 52. Which is constitutional mandate? A. Fiscal adequacy. B. Administrative feasibility. C. Theoretical justice. And D. All of this. The correct answer is C. Theoretical justice. Number 53 and the last question. Which is a general characteristic of tax? A. Based on contract. B. Assignable. C. Payable in money. D. Optional. The correct answer is C. Payable in money. Thank you everyone and God bless.